Hello. So we are going to talk about order of operations today. Order means what order you do things. The operations, those are the four things you can do to a number. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide. The operations, things you can do with the number or numbers. So I would suggest that you copy down this chart. It will be useful forever. So pause it, copy it down. Now, to remember order of operations, people always use the word PEMDAS. PEMDAS, it's so important. To help them remember PEMDAS, there's even a sentence, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, to help you remember the words in order. So the P is parentheses. The parentheses are these little half moon things that go around numbers. Those are parentheses. They always come first. Then you have exponents. The little number up in the corner there, you remember powers of 10. Probably won't be that big a thing yet for fifth graders. Multiply and divide comes next. They go in order, left to right, so they are the same level. Either multiply or divide, they're both third. Now we have add and subtract, same thing as multiply, divide. They're the fourth thing, still left to right, whatever comes first, working your way from left to right. So you might be wondering, well, how do I use this? So let's consider a number sentence, 4 plus 3 times 8. And I could solve 4 plus 3 times 8 by adding the 4 plus 3, which is 7. And 7 times 8 equals 56. However, if I was looking at this same number sentence, that's not the same. Let's make it be actually 4 plus 3 times 8. If I did the 3 times 8 first and got 24 and added 4 to that, I'd get 28, which is quite a different answer. So which one's right? So order of operations is how you know which one's right. So since over there on my PEMDAS chart, it says that multiplying and dividing comes before adding and subtracting, it's the second one that we did here where we multiplied 3 times 8 first. That's the correct answer because you always multiply before you add. Now, if for some reason I really needed for the 4 and the 3 to be added before we multiplied by 8, that's where we use the parentheses. We write this same expression and we put the parentheses around the 4 plus 3. That tells us we got to do 4 plus 3 before we multiply. Now it's 7 times 8 and it comes out to 56. So these order of operations just kind of keep you from being confused about which answer we're looking for. Now, if you just have a string of numbers to add and subtract or multiply, divide, like 7 minus 3 plus 4, even though subtract's on the bottom, adding and subtracting are at the same level, we just move left to right. So we are going to start on the left with the 7, take away the 3, get 4, add that next 4, and so our answer is 8. So there you go, order of operations. See ya.